let me show you how to use a staple gun. And this one is the DeWALT heavy duty staple gun. Most will be built exactly the same. You'll have a mechanism at the back. The mechanism may be a little bit different, but here on the DeWALT one, you just squeeze it. This releases the bottom mechanism. You pop in your staples, slide them to the front, bring back the mechanism, close it. Now that will be your staple gun loaded. Now what a lot of people do is they don't drive the staples all the way in, and what they're doing is they're just pressing the staple down like that, and as they press it down, you can see that didn't drive, because what happened is when I pressed it, it bounced off the surface. What you need to do is put the stapler down like that, put pressure on the end of the staple gun, and that will drive the staple like that. So you need to put pressure on the end to fully drive the stapler, and that's how easy it is to use a DeWALT heavy duty staple gun or any other brand staple gun. Put pressure where the stapler is going in, and it will drive the staple nice and deep for you. Hopefully that helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe. Thanks for watching.